Good morning, traders. Richard Miller here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review of Tesla. We've had a fantastic little rally after rebounding from key cloud chart support levels back here at since the last update back here at 548. This whole cluster of support, Tesla rebounded quite aggressively, then ran into trouble at the close to the top end of the cloud. You see the bottom in the cloud then became a resistance zone. Sold off a little bit from there, and then managed to rebound from this old cluster of support here back in December, and then kept on moving, hits resistance at the bottom end of the cloud, broke through that, hit the old cloud chart support level, which was then resistance, and now sold off to the top end of the cloud. So now we're at an interesting place, because since the trades here was just contrarian, we were buying at the counter trend, because from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective, price action below the cloud is bearish, and we now back above the top end of the cloud, so that is bullish from a daily Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. So it's critical for Tesla to stay above that level. It can show weakness to the standard lines, this purple line here. Let me just zoom in, as well as the bottom end of the cloud. So there is possibility, if support does not hold at the top end of the cloud, that we dip into these levels, and then that level 685 is the first level to watch, and the bottom end of the cloud here is the other level to watch. At 660. So we can snap back from those levels, but so far so good. We're back above the top end of the cloud. We need to close this week above the top end of the cloud here, which will be a positive sign. So Tesla is currently testing this top end cloud chart support level for support. So this is another potential rebound trade, long in around these cloud chart levels, and the upside target would then be this old cloud chart level here. That would be the next new resistance line for Tesla, for example. Let me just put a line in there. So 835 will be the upside target if we long in and around these cloud chart levels. If we look at the 4-hour chart, you can see we're well above the cloud now, so that's bullish from a 4-hour Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. Note that we can retest any of these front cloud levels here. That support level there at 685, as well as the bottom end of the cloud here at 620, 635, 660, a cluster of support here. So far so good. We're back above the cloud in the 4-hour chart. Did test the resistance at 659, the old cloud chart resistance level here, so that will remain in place. So Tesla will probably slowly grind higher, rebounding from this cloud chart support level, grind higher, and then these are the upside targets. It's 659 of 760, and then 835, this old cloud chart resistance level. So these are the levels on the 4-hour cloud chart to watch out for. But be aware that we can see weakness to this standard line of the cloud, as well as the front end of the cloud. So there is possibility of any weakness to swing trade from these levels. So I'll put that in there. Okay, 685. So that's another significant swing trade. So any weakness back to that level would signal another little swing trade in Tesla. But so far so good. Price action is back above the cloud. And watch out, we can see any weakness into this cloud chart test can be another buying opportunity. Now, interesting enough, if we take Tesla's price, this Ichimoku cloud, and we look at the volume, we incorporate the unbalanced volume indicator, and we turn the price in the unbalanced volume indicator, and we draw a Ichimoku cloud of the price and the volume, we can see Tesla is in a little bit of a tight spot now, because we are below the cloud. So Tesla needs to break past this cloud chart resistance zone on the volume, on a volume basis. Okay, so we haven't seen the aggressive volume to turn from bullish to from the current state that's bearish to bullish. So on a price adjusted for the volume basis, we are now currently still bearish, and we need to trade back above the cloud. So it will be interesting to see if Tesla, with enough volume, can get its price on a volume adjusted basis back above the top end of the cloud. But you can see this is a fantastic indicator where we take the price adjusted for the volume, and we can see where the accumulation is. When the price goes higher on a volume basis, that's overall bullish. So there was a gigantic buy signal back here in 2009, October 2009 at not sure the prices, because this is now the price adjusted for volume. Back in October 2019, fantastic trade, and then the sell signal came right up here at the top end here. And if we go back to where was that? Let's just check that. February. So go back October last 2019. Oh yeah, let me just double check what that date is. That's October 2019. Yeah, if we go back to October 2019, we can see this was the buy signal on a volume adjusted basis back here at $50, and we've not had the sell signal on a Ichimoku Cloud volume adjusted chart until about February this year. So yeah, at 800 and something. So it captured a fantastic move. So you just look at the take the Tesla price, adjust it for the volume, and you get a new instrument that you can watch. So now Tesla is actually still bearish on a price for volume adjusted basis. Yeah, we can see. So we need to see a bit more volume coming through to break back above the top end of the cloud for Tesla. So we're not out the woods yet with Tesla on a volume adjusted basis. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading.